Today we are going to discuss about welding and grinding machine. So these are our group members. Our topic is welding and grinding machine. So now we will start. Hello everyone, my name is Vanesh Patare, roll number 93. So now I'll started with welding machine. So firstly, we will see various parts and components of metal arc welding with the help of. Now we will see how exactly the welding machine works. Principle of arc welding. Now we are going to see about principle of arc welding. In arc welding, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. The current passes through the workpiece and the electrode, which produces an electric arc. Due to the heat developed, both the electrode and the base metal get melted. The electrode and workpiece brought nearer with a small air gap of below 3 mm approximately. Slag protects the weld pool from oxidation and heat loss. Then SMAW machine, that means shielded metal arc welding machine, that produces a powerful amount of heat that melts both electrode and base metal. Then electrode lead cable, which delivers power to the electrode and attaches to the electrode holder. Next one is electrode holder. Its function is to support the electrode, guaranteeing a good electrical contact for current passage. Then electrode uses to provide a current. Then workpiece or base metal used to simplify the simulation speed and modeling process. Then welding table, it gives the welder stable place to work. Then workpiece connection or clamp. And last one is workpiece lead or cable used to transmitting electric.
Sequence of steps involved in arc welding. Now we are going to see the sequence of steps involved in arc welding. First, the arc welding machine, electrode holder and clamp. Then electrode holder connect to the plus end of the welding machine, and the clamp is connect to the plus holder of welding machine, and then clamp is connected to the another base metal. The edges are to be cleaned with wire brush, streaking the arc. The tip of the electrode scratch on the parent metal. After stretching the tip electrode for a movement, a gap of 3 mm, that is approximately, is to be maintained. Then the electrode should move along the length of the joint, maintaining the arc and avoid the destruction during welding. At the end of the run, slag coating present on the bed is chipped off, then the area cleaned with the wire brush. And the two dissimilar metal are joined by using arc welding. Thank you.